taking firm steps to uphold constitutional order in Hong Kong and Macao SARs as stipulated in China's constitution and the basic laws of the two regions. Exercising powers entrusted to us by China's constitution and the basic laws of the Hong Kong SAR, we issued a decision on issues related to electing a chief executive by universal suffrage in the Hong Kong SAR, thus clarifying the direction and basic institutional arrangements for gradually and systematically developing democracy in the region. We also produced an interpretation of Article 104 of the Basic Law of the Hong Kong SAR, which has served to resolutely deter and oppose any attempt at Hong Kong independence and safeguard the sanctity of China's constitution and the basic law of the Hong Kong SAR. We approved the cooperation agreement between the mainland and Hong Kong on the co-location arrangement so that both sides can carry out customs clearance at the port established at the West Kowloon station of the Guangzhou-Shenzhen-Hong Kong Express Rail Link. In line with China's constitution and the basic law of Hong Kong, we adopted the decision on adding the national anthem law to Annex 3 of the basic laws of Hong Kong and Macau to ensure its observance in the two regions.